Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick update on Shane McRetro. Videos as normal? I don't know. Most of the footage you've been seeing over the past 2-3 months is approximately 3 to 4 years old now, mainly because I was doing university. Now that I have almost completed university, almost in fact is close, I've gone back to work, which is very boring. But that's all right. That's what work can be, I guess. Actually, it's not that bad. I actually do quite enjoy my job. Now, what videos have we got upcoming? I don't know. They're in the queue. There's still a whole bunch that I've still got to get going from 2016. I didn't do much in 2017, 18, or 19. But this channel is Retro Junkie 2020, so let's use that great vision to see into the future. Probably, I don't know. 6,300 subscribers, I think it's at. So that's also good. It's good to see there's still people subscribing. I'm not sure why you're subscribing. Maybe you just like things. I don't know. Something else that's very interesting while I've got my train of thought. My other channel, the one that keeps getting copyright strikes, McRetro Gaming, sort of the reason it exists is to stop this channel getting copyright strikes, is starting to do some retro gaming. I've been doing some test streaming over the past couple of weeks, and it's actually looking quite good. I've got an OSSC, which is equivalent sort of to a FrameMeister, I suppose. Some of you will disagree, of course, and that's fine. But I've also got the Mister, which is a FPGA box of fun. Now, I haven't got all the bits for it yet, so I haven't actually gotten to give it a try. I've got the Mister itself, or the DE10 Nano, as they call it, which is sort of hardware emulation of hardware, which is kind of fun, I suppose. It's quite interesting to look through how it all works, which I must admit I haven't entirely done yet either. So much to do, so little time. So I'll be doing streaming of old consoles via that, in theory. I'm a fan of Scanlines, so if you're not, I apologize. I have sort of downsized the console collection a bit with the DE10 Nano, or the Mister. What can actually be done is some of the consoles can disappear. So Super Nintendo's gone, or Famicom. We've lost a couple of others. We still get to keep some of the fun ones, such as the Saturn, Dreamcast, PlayStation. That's a big one. There's quite a few. Anyway, I've got a lot of mainly CD-based ones. Sega CD has been somewhat emulated by the DE10 Mister project, which is great, because my Mega CD died, of course. Lucky me. What else? This is a fun update. Happy New Year to all of you that... I think I did a Christmas thing, but not a New Year one, so there it is. And I've moved back to the sunny city of Sydney, minus those few storms in the past couple of weeks, which caused rain to come in my window, which is never a fun thing. But yeah, lots happening. So if you haven't subscribed to McRetro Gaming and you don't mind retro gaming, I do have a webcam. It is awful. I mean, this is awful. This is using my MacBook Air 2018. So they've obviously managed to cram a potato into the display assembly, and this is the quality that comes out of it. I've got a Logitech, I think it's a C922. It's a piece of junk too, but I've got a little Intel NUC that's doing all the pixel pushing, I suppose. NUC 8th generation. Oh, there's my screensaver. Didn't notice I was recording a thing. That's fine. So that's about it from me for now. As I said, subscribe, Mac Retro Gaming. You won't regret it. It'd be nice to get to 1,000 subscribers, then I could turn on monetization. But then it would also mean that I'll get more copyright strikes. Huh. So maybe not. So don't subscribe. Or do. It's up to you. Thank you for watching. As always, there will be more later. Have a good day, if you haven't already. MacRetro signing out. Off. MacRetro signing off. Signing out. Logging out. MacRetro logging out. Did it work? Subscribe. The button's going to be on the other side, I can tell. Subscribe here. Hey. It's this one. You've just got to click it. Reverse. Oh, look at those grains.